What is going on, everybody? It's Tyler or DME515 here, and today, as you can tell by the title, and I posted it on my Instagram and everything, just got a new car. So that's, I'm just gonna roll right through right now to the video of it. Okay, so as you guys saw, I bought, well, I didn't buy it, I guess. We got it for free. It's not running. We got it completely free. I'm sure we're gonna end up ricing this thing out somehow. Thinking painting it, rusting this fender. Put a spoiler right here, about that high, yeah, right there. Then another one right here. Maybe like a drag spoiler about this far out, and then like up maybe, I don't know. Paint these hubcaps maybe. Like this spoke pink, orange, yellow, blue, you know. When we got the car, this was all solid. And I was like, oh hey, there's a lot of rust right there, and then it all ended up in my driveway. I'll put a video in somewhere. And then, you know, it's got these awesome doors right here. Just wonderful. You gotta like lift up a little bit. You know, if you wanna change your heat and everything, you just like do that. Or and the door doesn't close and half the rust falls off of it. That's great. Hood's definitely a little rough. Probably, yeah, this thing is gonna be straight piped. I mean, it's gonna be loud. Don't be expecting to see that down there very much longer. So, put a sticker on the back window with a degreaser rag that was on the floor. That's all good. Gas cap shuts sometimes. I guess that's shut. I don't know. Then when you say you got a passenger in here, they open their door, okay, they get in, they close it. Half the rust falls out of the door. Okay. I mean, it's a beast. I mean, might be going like 80 if this thing gets up there, and then, you know, that just decides to fly off. I think I might have actually just broke it. Yep, okay. Yeah, this is my new car, I guess. New. It's definitely a new owner car. It's definitely not new. I can tell you that. But yeah, this will definitely be fun for content. I've seen people like Turbo and all them doing builds like that, doing stuff like this, and yeah, this car just happened to be a thing that we found, and now we get a car to rice out. Full content car. If any of you have ideas, just put that below because we need ideas. Apparently I like GM cars, we haven't been able to tell yet because. And then we got the one odd car out here. I guess it's not odd now, we got two red cars in here. Or this is red right here and then it's pink up here. I don't know what color it is, honestly. It's, yeah, it's wonderful. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. There's definitely going to be some more videos coming. We're going to do some stupid stuff with this car, so stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't know if it'll be with this car or not. I really don't know what the next video is going to be, but I'll see you guys later.